Hi there! So today we're going to look at the human nervous system. So the nervous system protects organisms from harm by responding to changes in the environment. It does this by coordinating communication between different parts of organisms. And our nervous system is made up of several parts. One part is the brain. And this brain contains parts of the central nervous system. The central nervous system coordinates the response of effectors. And effectors are the muscles or glands that act in response to a change in the internal or external environment. Another part of the nervous system is the spinal cord. And this is also part of the central nervous system. It is important in coordinating the response of effectors to changes in the environment. Neurons, or nerve cells, are part of the nervous system. They carry electrical impulses or signals between receptors, the central nervous system, and effectors, so that neurons carry the messages between all the different parts of the nervous system so they can coordinate their action. So, the nervous system is made up of the brain, the spinal cord, and neurons. So here's a question for you. So I'm going to list off 4 things, and then we're going to decide which is not a component of the human nervous system. So neurons, muscles, spinal cord, and brain. So muscles are not part of the human nervous system. These are effectors, and these are not part of the nervous system, not part of the central nervous system either. Synapses are gaps between neurons, and these can be found at each junction of a reflex arc. Nerve impulses need to travel across synapses. So synapses are these gaps, but somehow the message has got to get across the gap. So what happens to this gap? So the impulse reaches the end of the neuron before the synapse. This then triggers the release of chemicals called neurotransmitters. The neurotransmitters diffuse across the gap. So diffusion is the movement down a concentration gradient. So from an area of high concentration to an area of low concentration across the synapse. The neurotransmitters will bind to receptors at the next neuron. The presence of neurotransmitter will cause the production of an electrical impulse at the next neuron. So at each junction of the reflex arc, there are these synapses. And these synapses allow the information to be passed from one synapse to the next, or from one neuron to another. So when the electrical impulse reaches the end of the neuron, the chemicals or the neurotransmitters are released, which diffuse across the synapse. So thinking about before, how many parts made up the human nervous system? So there were 3 parts, and these were the brain, spinal cord, and the neurons. At each junction of the reflex arc, there is a synapse, as we already discussed, and these allow information to be passed from one neuron to the next.